Imagine searching on Google and instead of getting 10 blue links, Google actually thinks, remembers, understands, and helps you plan. This is Google AI Mode powered by Gemini. And once you see what it can do, normal Google search will feel more outdated. Today I'll show you real demos, real use cases, and how you can use this right now. What is Google AI Mode? Google AI Mode is a new way of searching where Google becomes more conversational, visual, and personal. Instead of you doing all the thinking, Google uses AI to understand complex questions, pull information from multiple sources, and give you a clear summarized answers. Think of it as ChatGPT combined with Google Search plus your Google account. This is where Google AI Mode becomes scary smart. If you allow it, Google can connect to apps like Gmail, Photos, and some of these features aren't available in some locations, including mine, but I'm just giving you a hint on what you could expect. So let's try this prompt. Plan a trip to Nairobi based on my upcoming flight. Google checks your Gmail, sees your flight confirmation, and instantly builds a personalized travel plan. Now let's talk about deep search. This is for questions that normally require 30 minutes and 10 minutes browser tabs. Let's try this demo. Compare solar power versus electricity costs for a small business in your given location. And this is what we get. Instead of links, Google gives you a clear comparison, cost breakdown, pros and cons. This part is wild. You're not limited to typing anymore. So in this case, if I use my camera to point at anything, and for instance, let me select this product. What is this? And is it worth buying? Google sees what you see, identifies it, explains it, and even suggests alternatives. Let's try our second demo. Which phone under $300 has the best camera in 2026? This feature is perfect when you're driving, walking, or even lazy. You don't just wanna type, you get it? Now this is one of my favorite parts. You don't have to start over every time. I mean the conversations. Let's try this prompt. What are the best laptops for video editing? Now let's ask the follow-up question. Which one is best for CapCut? And let's add another follow-up question. What if my budget is around $700? Google remembers the conversation, just like chatting with an expert. When things get complex, Google AI Mode switches to summary mode. Now let's try this demo. Explain how AI affects content creators in 2026. Now as you see the feedback, we have a clean summary and even expandable points. Now let's talk about Canvas. Canvas lets you plan, organize, and build ideas inside Google Search. Now we're gonna upload a PDF, and now our prompt is summarize this document and create an action plan. Finally, smart actions. Let's try this demo. Compare iPhone 15 versus Pixel 9 and book the cheaper option. Google doesn't just explain, it helps you take action immediately. Google AI Mode isn't just an upgrade, it's a new way of thinking about search. Now if you learn how to use it early, you'll be faster, smarter, and more productive than so many people out there. So have you tried Google AI Mode yet? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.